parents. This is Gerlin from Hitakids. Happy to see you all at this time. Are you really interested in robotics, or you are considering your child to be enrolled in the robotics course? Here I am to give you some insight about why it is really needed and why it is important for the kid to be enrolled in these kind of courses. I just want to give you a small sight about the STEM education. What is the STEM? The science, technology, engineering and maths. You know, the science, technology, engineering and maths are all the part of their subjects. Yes, of course, it is a part of their subjects. And you may ask, is robotics is included in STEM? Yes, of course, robotics is included in STEM. And also, you know, robotics is the intersection of the science, technology, engineering and maths. Robotics is the central place where the kids can learn all these concepts as an integrated package. Yes, of course, we all want our kids to be the great learners. So we all want our kids to be the great performers. Of course, we can make our kids to be the best performer, the best learner as well as the best creator. To make your kids to be the best creators and the best performers, we are here to help you. We are here to guide the students in the STEM education by providing the robotic kits and robotic programs. So robotics படிக்கிறனால என்ன அவங்களுக்கு யூஸ்? அவங்க ஒரு சப்ஜெக்ட்ஸோட சேர்ந்து robotics படிக்கிறனால what is their use? First thing is, அவங்க என்ன படிக்கிறாங்களோ அதை ஒரு ப்ராடக்டா செஞ்சு பார்க்கறாங்க. இப்போ ஒரு கார் மூவ் ஆகுது அப்படின்னா, so how it is moving அப்படிங்கறத, what is the function of the wheel, what is the function of the components அப்படிங்கறத அவங்க செஞ்சு பார்க்கும் பொழுது there they can be the best part of them. அவங்களோட best part அவங்க feel பண்ணுவாங்க. And also the same thing, what they are studying in a boring way, maybe அவங்களோட subjects அவங்களுக்கு போரிங்கா இருக்கலாம். ஒரு புக் அடிச்சு படிக்கிறதுக்கு அவங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப டஃபா ஃபீல் பண்ணலாம். But here we are introducing a fun type of learning. இங்க அவங்க சேம் சப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ்ல இருக்கிறத, பிசிக்ஸ்ல இருக்கிறத, மேத்ஸ்ல இருக்கிறத, சயின்ஸ்ல இருக்கிறத, டெக்னாலஜிஸ்ல இருக்கிறத படிக்க போறாங்க and அதை பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ண போறாங்க in the way of fun. So that's why we mark these kind of education and these kind of courses are really important that could be included in their academic package. And one thing is, they are going to get the fun of learning and also they are going to get the fun of creation. So இனிமேலும் subjects science and engineering and maths இதெல்லாம் ஒரு